arrive in style with this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, bright grille wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum bright front bumper, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800-643-2112, wheels, 17x7 aluminum, tires, P265/70R17 BSWs, STD, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, 5.0 inches touch screen display, Sirius XM satellite radio, 1-year Sirius XM radio service.